What's up, guys? Mortgage Mike here, NMLS 2096424, and I'm here to bring you a real estate market update. It is July 15th, 2022, and I want to show you what's been happening, guys. We're at an inflection point in terms of what real estate is doing now. It's starting to stabilize. Home prices aren't skyrocketing the way they were 6 months ago. And I want to show you something here, all right? So take a look at this search that I did in the Broward County and West Palm Beach County. I want you to pay attention to these little arrows that are pointing down, all right? So the red arrows pointing down means that these are home prices that have dropped. In other words, the seller dropped the price of the home. They started out at a certain price and then they reduced the price. If the arrow is pointing up, the green arrow, it means they raised the price. And I'm just gonna quickly go through the different pages just to kind of show you the trend, right? It's page 1. Look at that. Page 2. Page 3. Right? And you're seeing the pattern, right? You see what I'm talking about there, right? Most of the arrows are pointing down, right? And listen, part of that is a function of the fact that a lot of folks overprice their homes to begin with, right? Like you look at some of these homes, and let's just pick one at random, okay? Just to kind of see where we're at, all right? And you see one here where it's now listed at $439,900. Let's look at what the original price. Okay, so that's not too bad. The original price was $449,900, and he dropped it $10,000 to $439,000. You can see here, days on market, 29 days, so about a month on the market. All right, so let's take a look at another one. This one is now $450,000. That's what the list price is. And all right, this person started off at $499,000. And it's been on the market for 54 days. So you see they dropped the price by $50,000, right? So things are starting to stabilize. And that's another data point, right? The fact that it's even on the market for 30 days, because 6 months ago, homes weren't on the market for even 3 days, right? A house would be on the market for 2 days and they would already have 10 or 12 offers. So, you know, what that's telling us is that the market is starting to stabilize, right? Home prices are gonna get back to where they should be, right? You're not gonna see any more of these $350,000 homes that people are asking $500,000 for. The bank is also, you know, cutting back and trying to rein in these appraisals, right? Because of the demand, because of the lack of inventory, the lack of supply, a lot of times people were getting, you know, $100,000 over what they were asking for their homes, or $80,000 over what they were asking for their homes. Now, the bank is slowly reining that in based on a lot of factors. Interest rates gone up, so there's not as many buyers. You know, there are more homes being built. There's more availability coming around now. And I say that to make the point that if you're in the market for a house, don't get discouraged, right? You guys know where I stand with regard to home ownership. It doesn't matter what the speculators are saying. It doesn't matter what, you know, what the market's doing. If you are renting right now, you're in a better position to go out and try to look for a home and purchase a home. Listen, interest rates are a little higher right now, but if you own your home, you can always refinance. Interest rate isn't set in stone. When you own your home, you can go back, refinance when rates go down and get a lower mortgage payment, get a lower interest rate. Let's take a look at mortgage rates as of this week. Today, 30-year fixed is at 6.64, 30-year fixed FHA, which is a government-backed loan, is at 6.16. And if you go with an ARM, an adjustable rate mortgage, you're at, for a 10-6, you're at 6.33, right? Let's look at the historical data over the past 3 months since around May. You can see here, it's showing you what the FHA in red and what the fixed conventional has been doing in blue, right? So Yeah, it's been up and down. The lowest it's been in the past 3 months is around May, towards the end of May, where it was about 5%. So don't get discouraged, guys. Like I said, owning your own home is always a better option to renting. Let me know if I can ever help you. Don't hesitate to reach out. Get in touch, shoot me a text message. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon.